was much very kind. My name is Adra. We are student of 9th class. Today we are performed activity on Shah Abdul Latif Bhai. जिन रस्तन दे येड़ा गया जिन रस्तन दे येड़ा गया इसन तो बिलूस जवान जिया इसन तो बिलूस जवान जिन जंगीन में पे जानी न्यू जिन जंगीन में पे जानी न्यू इसन तो बिलूस जवान जिया. She will tell you about background and family on Shah Abdul Latif.
Okay, today my topic is background and family of Shah Abdul Latif Bhai. Shah Abdul Latif Bhai said Shah Abdul Latif Bhai existed in Afghanistan. Some historians they say Shah's father Sayyid Habibullah Shah migrated from Metairie. Others say that ancestors migrated from Sindh. Perhaps Sindh was then a center of Muslim culture. Shah Abdul Latif Bhai ancestors liked but so much they decided to make their home. न अगते वध्यासी न पोइते हटियासी न अगते वध्यासी न पोइते हटियासी जिता जा हुयासे उते ही रहियासी जिता जा हुयासे उते ही रहियासी ज़माने मां कुछ न थियो हासिल ज़माने मां कुछ न थियो हासिल धोखा ने दिलासन में रह जियासी.
Now she will tell you about the name Bhitai.
Today I will tell you about the name Bhitai. In 1742, Shah Latif left his home and went to live on a mount at some distance from his village. A mound of sand is called Bhit in Sindhi. Due to the fact that he lived on this mount for the rest of his life, Shah Latif come to be known as the center of Bhit. To this day, his farmhouse all over country as Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai or Shah Latif of the Mount. So today I will tell you the early life and education of Shah Latif Bhitai. Shah Latif was born in 1689 on the 14th Safar 1102 in a small village called Hala Haveli, a few miles to the east of the present town Bhit Shah. He was raised golden age of Sindhi culture. His first teacher was Akhund Noor Muhammad Bhatti, but mainly he was self-educated. Shah Sai फरमाए तो बाहर बोली हंजा जी अंदर कारो काओ बाहर बोली हंजा जी अंदर कारो काओ एड़ो थलो था बनी बोरो शोलक जी.
Now she will tell you about Shah Abdul Latif.
Today I tell you about youth of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Young Latif had a very sensitive mind. While he was only a boy, he studied composing poetry. His admiration for the beauty of nature filled his heart with the love of God. In 1730, Sufi poet married with Bibi Sayyida Begum and his wife died at an early age. She could have any children. However, Shah never married again. His heart turned more and more towards religion and devotion, and he felt restless. He found it difficult to live a normal domestic life. Jani dand na bijtani tonjo asro, jani dand na bijtani tonjo asro, po baris jawal de unan ke.
Now she will tell you about spiritual growth of Shah Abdul Latif.
I will tell you spiritual growth of the Shah Latif Bhitai. Latif loved the God given and more extent. He found in the pressure on the devotion. As a result, he spent most of time in the prayers and deep thinking. His pressure power is strongly with the love and the devotion. So much of the people bend to the attach toward him. Anyone who come to him so strongly was impressed by his ways, and his followers increased day by day. अखियों तो में सुप्रीम तो अखिन में आई अखियों तो में सुप्रीम तो अखिन में आई अखिन के शाह अब्दुल लतीफ चाहे तू भाई ना भाई पर अखियों अजता आए तुझे आसरे.
Now she will tell you about that and remember of Shah Abdul Latif.
Today I tell you death of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is a 1752 on the mount where he lived. His poetry is collected. The soul of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is a famous king of Sindh. He is also on the 4th Safar on the last series. तू हबीब तू तबीब तू दर्दन जो दारू तू दर्दन जो दारू तू हकीम तू साहिब दे शिफा मियां मरीजन खे.
Now she will tell you about poetry on Shah Abdul Latif.
I will tell you Shah Abdul Latif's poetry. Shah Abdul Latif was a sensitive and gentle son. Shah Abdul Latif was a sensitive and gentle, kind and soul. He was a Sufi in the true sense of the word. The word Latif means fine, delicate, and elegant of the light. This meaning is truly reflected in his poetry and his personality. Shah Abdul Latif फरमाते होते हैं मोहब्बत जंजे मन में से मेरा की नथन मोहब्बत जंजे मन में से मेरा की नथन अव्वल सजदो दे इलाके पर खलक जी खिदमत कन ओए शोन वाली थन जे इश्क कयो लासा.
काठ जो वापार कर तू भली, काठ जो वापार कर तू भली। हिन फितर जी फो जो देर न करी बनाइन फिन तैती जो तट जा तू आवाज खा बकी मेरो न कर। थैंक यू।